So we'll give it a whack with a hammer here. Welcome back to my garage. Just a quick update on the do-it-yourself right angle porting tool. It's kind of done. I've added a guard so I don't touch the belt when I'm holding it. I also added some Velcro, male Velcro tape on the sides just for better grip, and I also made it a little bit thinner here. That's so it doesn't hit the cylinder when reaching in at an angle. Yep, should be a great companion in the shop. Not much is happening here today, or there's happening a lot, but it's not very interesting for no projects or anything, because I haven't cleaned the shop since I started making these videos. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of mess on all my tables and the floor and everywhere. So I'm just going to clean up this mess tonight, and I'll be back probably with the casting urethane bushing for the SPX video. So yeah, see you later. Just remembered I promised a friend to true up this crank, so I'll just set up my jig here. It's at its highest with the conrod far away, and at its lowest with the conrod close. So high with the conrod far away, that means we will have to smack that crank web. Okay, so we'll give it a whack with a hammer here, and we'll bring it back on the stand. Okay, so now we're high with the conrod there, and low the conrod up on top. Okay, so now the highest is with the conrod at the bottom, and the lowest is with the conrod on top. So that means, since it's highest when the conrod is on the bottom, this means it's a little bit pinched. And then I can show you, because in the last video I used a chisel to drive down in there, but now I will show you a trick that Fritz Overmars taught me, and that's just to cut a bolt with a nut on it that can fit in between the webs, and then you can very precisely push it a little bit outwards, or very gently. That felt too easy. I'm kind of fearing that the press fit here isn't very good. Okay, so let's see where we're at now. Okay, so we're at our lowest here. I overdid it, which is kind of weird. I didn't crank much on it at all. But anyway, now it's spread, and we will have to clamp it in the vise. Now be very gentle, because it seems to be okay. That's moving a lot. I got a lot of movement from just a little pressure, so there may be some issues with this crank. Okay, so we're at our highest with the conrod close. No, we're not. Highest. Okay, so now I'm pinched again. Highest with the conrod on the bottom, lowest with the conrod on top. I'll try to be extremely gentle this time, but give it a tiny bit here. Now it's the lowest up there, and highest up here. Okay, so it's still a little bit squeezed. Okay, now we're very close. Okay, there's hitting there. We're talking... Okay, that's within 1,000s. No, 100 of a millimeter. And I think that's about as good as we can get this crank. Okay, that's it for this episode. I've cleaned up the shop as clean as as necessary for me to feel for me to feel okay working in here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.